So hello friends, in the last video I have shown you the working of my rover. In this video I am going to show you how the rover actually works and why it uses the artificial intelligence to be self-driven. So let's get started. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, we all know that the government has imposed lockdown in our country. But now, lockdown phase 4 has been declared by the government. As a result of this, Karnataka government has decided to open all its hotels, religious places and the places of worship from June 8th. But have you ever thought, so there are various religious places in Tumkur like Siddhganga Mutt and the places outside Tumkur like Dharmasthala. Lot of people will be gathering there, and these religious places offer free food in large quantity to huge number of people who are from different classes and religion. But nowadays, large number of people will be gathering to that dining area. Due to social distancing, we can't send more number of cleaning staff to that dining area. That's why there is a need for fast and effective cleaning mechanism. This ignited me to develop a fully automatic cleaning device where no human interface is required, no human controlling is needed and must work on its own. By that, number of cleaning staff can be reduced so that they can maintain social distance among the people. And we can also clean very fast and maintain hygiene effectively at low cost mechanisms. So I introduce you self-driven obstacle avoidance floor cleaning rover. This device is built with ultrasonic sensor. What it does is, it has a tank on its top where I will store the soap water in it. And it has the brushes and it is built with the gear motors and powered by 12-volt battery. When you keep it on a floor, it starts wiping the floor with these cleaning bushes at the bottom. So then, when it keeps wiping and moving ahead, this ultrasonic sensor will calculate the distance and intimate the machine to go in the proper direction. Suppose, if someone walks in front of it or stands in front of it, this ultrasonic sensor will sense it and it makes the rover to change the direction and go in the separate lane. The ultrasonic sensor, which is fitted in front of the rover, turns from 0 degree to 180 degree and collects all the distance data and sends it to the Arduino. In the Arduino, I have designed an algorithm which analyzes and compares all the distance data which is collected from ultrasonic sensor and make the rover move forward in that direction where there is no obstacles. Recently, MI company has come up with a fully automatic AI floor cleaner, but still it's a Chinese-made China product. Still there are very less number of Indian-made or Indian-built fully automatic cleaning machines. So this actually ignited me to build something, a fully innovative model of an automatic cleaning machine. I have built this using household things. If I'm a student still studying, if I can build something which is fully automatic to clean my house, and I hope by looking at this video, young entrepreneurs, industrialists and big tech companies could get initiated to develop a fully automatic cleaning machines and manufacture it in India so that we all Indians could boycott the Chinese products. And I also request you guys kindly boycott Chinese products, Chinese apps and many more of them and make India the global power. Press on the like button if you like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more innovation related videos.